How does your media product represent particular social groups? When analysing magazines of my hip-hop genre before starting to create my own product, I was looking at what particular social group or audience my magazine would mainly be distributed to. As I researched the target audience, I came to the conclusion that the group of people who read the magazine would be roughly around the same ages as the artists featured in it or younger. I'd say the majority of the artists used in the magazine would be around the age of 25, meaning that my target audience would be also around that age or younger. Another factor I came across with my target audience was class. Most of the artists came from a working class background, but after reaching fame are now in a much higher class with extremely expensive clothing and jewellery that people from a lower or middle class household are going to want to imitate. This has become a consistent advertising technique for designers. Aside from this, it shows that the target audience are also from a lower or middle class background and will look up to the high class artists who have worked their way up and aspire to be like them. Another feature is ethnicity, which is not extremely important in the terms of audience, but in terms of featured artists, the majority are of Afro-Caribbean descent. This may also apply to the audience, but I think it's generally a very diverse audience in terms of ethnicity. The final factor I considered whilst looking at how my media product represents particular social groups was gender. I would say that the target audience for my genre or of magazine would mainly be males, as most of the artist features in the magazine I analysed the male. Also, when the odd female did appear in the magazine, they were represented to be sexualized, which was done purposely to appeal to a male audience.